And good day. Today we're having a look at this. It's a Gaciron bicycle tail light. Let's have a look and see what's in the box, shall we? Sometimes boxes are easy to open, and this is one of them. So let's have a look. And there we go. What have we got? Let's hold that up there so you can get a bit of an idea. Turn it around. Light up your way, it says there. Gaciron on that side. Plastic-free package design. And there we go. We've got a magnetic mounting, IP7 waterproof, USB-C rechargeable. Vehicle found distance is 1,000 metres, so I'm guessing you can be seen at 1,000 metres. And it's a W16C. So we'll have to open it up, and it's got a bit of tape across here. Nothing down there. Oh, a little bit of whatever that is. Some more of whatever that is. Charger. Oh, we've got some more things in here. What have we got? We've got a rubber ring, some instructions, and the tail light itself. Let's see if we get this up here without damaging it. Okay, that's that's actually very secure. let's open it up. Okay, that's about the only way I can get into it. Tear the packaging apart, and there we go. So, and this is everything that came in the pack, in the box. Of course, the Gaciron W16C itself, and it actually came with power in the battery, so that's handy. Every time you press the little button on the back here, it changes the sequence or the flashing. And there's two different strengths of the light being solid, and you just hold it down and turns off, so that's kind of handy. Now we do need to have a look at the instructions, so let's get into that right now. We'll open them up, bring them up a little bit closer so you can read, and as always you can just simply pause at any time and read the instructions if there's anything of interest there. Get my thumb out of the way. Turn it over and we'll have a look on the other side, and there's your warranty card explaining how to do the charging, operation and function, specifications. Now you will notice on the back you've got this little ridged area. Now that's for these little anti-slip pads that go in the back here. Now I'm going to be using the wider one because my bike actually has a sloping seat on it, or sloping post I should say, and that fits in. You notice you've got little latches on either side. Now that's for this silicon rubber ring that goes around. Now I'll be installing this shortly and I'll show you how it works. We've also got, of course, a little charger, well, charging cable I should say. It's a standard C-type, which is good. Now you're probably thinking, why have I got a torch turned on pointing up? Well, that's simple. I was quite fascinated. I held the light over before to have a bit of a look at it, and I thought, oh wow, so that's what it looks like. I'm about to position the light onto the seat post itself. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is it's magnetic, so that's pretty nifty. Put that aside for a second. I've already got my rubber insert put in position, and we'll pop it over against the bike itself on the seat post, put that in, snap it around to the other side, and position it where I want it, and that looks about right, and we'll just snap this thing in. Where are we? There we go, done. We're fitted, ready to roll. Now I've taken the bike outside and I've got the light going in daylight, and you can see me riding up the street. I'm doing exactly the same thing at night, and you'll see the difference. The tail light really stands out at night, very, very bright, so quite happy with that. And just about there, that's where I was in the daylight. And this is what it looks like mounted to the bike itself, give you an idea of it's a bit of fun. And just riding back again. Now if you look, there's a car coming in a few seconds. So yeah, the brake light is really good. I feel quite safe using it, and you know, I recommend it if you haven't got one. I'm quite impressed. Now the light itself has got 5 different modes. You've got a fog light mode, which is 30 lumens at 5 hours. Trail mode, which is 15 lumens, it gives you 11 hours. Power saving mode is 2 lumens at 35 hours. Low steady 2 lumens at 12 hours, and high steady is 5 lumens at 5 hours. It's pretty impressive. The model itself, maximum brightness is 30 lumen, battery is 200 milliamps. Input is a Type C 5 volt 1.1 amp. Visible angle is 300 degrees. Visible beam distance is up to 1 kilometer. It's actually waterproof, IPX7 rating. The seat post diameter that's recommended is 31.8 millimeter, and this whole thing only weighs 18.2 gram. It is ultra light. Now, yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed watching my video. Consider giving me a thumbs up, thumbs down, either way doesn't matter. Leave a comment, you know, I'd appreciate that as well. I've actually got 2 of these Gaciron products now, and I love them both. They're really, really good. Now, hopefully I'll get to see you on the very next video, whatever it happens to be. All the best till then. Bye for now.